Ready?
Oh, hold on. I'm ready.
What's going on, guys? Jaime brought over his hatch today. We're finally gonna get to lowering it. When he bought the car, the guy had out some parts that he already had thrown in. Skunk 2 front and rear camber kit, some ground control coilovers, and Jaime just got in some Truhart shocks that we're gonna throw it on. Should ride really well. Ground control is probably one of the nicest set of coilovers you can go with in terms of quality. I don't know if you guys know this, they have lifetime warranty on all their parts, so I think that shows a lot for the construction of those. Truharts, one of our other friends used some of these in the past. They did really well on his 8th gen, and it should be a good compromise with this particular type of coilover. And so, of course, stock height. His rear always has looked like it ran a little lower, but maybe they're just old sagging shocks and springs. So let's get started. I'm basically going to teach Jaime how to install these parts because it's been years since he's done them, and it's going to be a learning experience for him today. That was super easy. Jaime kind of got the ball rolling after we got started, got the shock and the upper control arm off. Since we're not getting the car aligned, what I always suggest, I was telling him right now, is we're gonna just kind of eyeball it and slide this in just a little bit. We don't want to have positive camber, and we don't want it to be too much negative camber, so we're just gonna eyeball a little bit and pull it in. When you lower the car, it's gonna naturally induce negative camber, but now that he's installing these, the new shocks, he'll probably get the car aligned as well once we finish with this job. After eyeballing it, we just kind of slid it in a little bit. So now what we're gonna do is kind of match the driver's side, the passenger side with the driver's side that we just finished. Okay.
All right.
Just like that. Perfect. Scarier than I remember.
Right?
Wasn't that bad though.
No.
It's just been forever since I've had to mess with one. That's all we really need. Oh, and the bushing in the sleeve. Here's a look after adjusting the height on it. Jaime likes this pretty low, just tucking a little bit of the top of the tire, but it looks super sharp like that. A little shot of the driver's side. Simple job today, it only took us about 2 hours. We've been meaning to get this done, but I finally had some free time tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed following along. It's kind of neat seeing it in this state. One thing really cool was he added the SIR spoiler with the really long LED on it. Looks really nice. And there is the last look before Jaime hits the road. Looks real good now. Maybe just front lip of some sort, something really simple. Maybe an OEM one. But yeah, it looks really sharp with that kind of drop on it. So thanks for hanging out today, guys, and we will see you next time.